Hi everyone, it's Jenny here. Uh, I'm just admiring my first ever tassel that I've ever made. Playing with it like a little kitten. It's got little beads in it and everything. It's so cool. It's so pretty. So fluffy. Welcome back to my channel. Finally, I have got my Cosmos journal to show you. I actually have had it finished for a little more than a day now, but I've had some personal shit that I needed to work out. No, it's not worked out, but well, you know, life happens, shit happens, and all that crap. So I thought, no, I'm just gonna get on with it and do a flip through of this journal. And I know some people in some of the groups that I'm in have been waiting for me to do a flip through. So here it is. Yeah. Okay. So, all right. To start off with, the cover, I'm really quite proud of, because it took quite a lot of effort to get this cover the way it is, and I'm equally proud of the closure, which is actually a retro belt buckle and some organza ribbon, and a little, what's tucked in here to keep it all firm is a little toggle. It's actually a bead type thing, which I'm using as a something to hold on to and pull it through. So it's like a little toggle button type thing. And on the top here is a little charm that I decided I was going to put in with a little tree of life, some turquoise, and I think they're glass beads, and there's a little affirmation charm here, which has got I think it's Imagine. Yep, Imagine on there, and a little handmade charm bead thingy. So I will show you the cover now. How this works is it wraps around the unclasps like, oh god, it's actually not that hard, it's just me. It's got like a little clasp thing that hooks into here, so yeah, it just, my fingers just don't want to work. My fingers are cold because I'm out in the carport as usual. There we go. So that's how it holds together, and if you push the book down and pull it up, it comes up. So anyway, and then the ribbon just wraps around a couple of times. Now the reason why I've done it so long is because, as you can see, it's already a gator mouth. And of course, whoever decides that they want to own this lovely journal will want to put things in it which will make it even more of a gator mouth. So I've made the ribbon longer, and I've just tied it to the other half of the buckle, the belt buckle. So, and it's just tied in a knot. So what you can do is, as the journal grows, you can make this section of the ribbon longer by undoing the knot and moving the ribbon, lengthening this section, and then retying the knot around the buckle. It's quite simple. And then of course this section of ribbon here won't be quite as long, but it won't matter because it'll still wrap around. There's plenty to wrap around the journal once it's been filled. So the journal itself, the cover on both sides, now I'll just see if I can open it up to show you. On both sides has been painted with in like a mixed media fashion. I've used some rice paper, I've used modelling paste and paint for the flowers, so they're actually there's quite a lot of texture there. It's a little bit down here as well, and I've also smudged in some Faber-Castells around the rice paper, and on this side as well. This is rice paper here, which I've smudged in some Faber-Castell. They're like a crayon, and that and the dandelions here I painted as well, because as you know, the Cosmos is all about the all about nature. So yeah, I tried to keep it in the nature theme. So yes, and like I said, this is my very first tassel, which I've just done in a variety of pieces that actually feature in the journal, and then I've just added some wooden beads, very colourful. There's four strands of wooden beads in there, and that's, so yeah. So anyway, on the inside, oops, we've got something that's flipped out that shouldn't be. We'll just pop that back in. On the inside, we've got a kind of like an envelope stack. This is like a little money envelope, which I haven't cut the end off of. I was thinking I might do, so that there's like a pocket that you could stick some paper in. That can easily be done if the person that wants the journal wants an extra little hidey spot for notes and stuff. They can do that. But I have put a little tuck spot, a little tiny journal card there. And then this is some journaling space. And then on the back is a corner pocket with some cards. And then we've got this envelope here, which has got a tuck spot there. So I should actually put a card in there so that people know that that's a tuck spot there. There we go. And then on the other side is another corner pocket with a couple of cards. And here we've got a little flip down with some writing space, and another little corner pocket, and a paper bag with a large journal card inside. So there's lots of writing space in this journal, whether it be on pages or pockets. It doesn't really, you know, there's lots of, this tucks in here, lots of little spots to write. So, and then we've just got some really pretty paper. I've put lace on quite a few page edges, some writing paper. I've done some stamping on pages. This was the first journal that I've actually stitched my lace onto the pages. And a pocket out of magazine, not a magazine, one of those Reader's Digest gardening books. Some of my hand-dyed doilies. Remember back when I was doing the brusho, well, that's all in here, all the brusho pages that I did. There's an empty tuck spot, and this is embossed paper. It's spider webs, and it's out of the gardening magazine. This is one of my mixed media pages that I did. I don't know if you can see that. And some of the pockets that I made that are on the video, one of my videos. And then I did some stamping and also added some washi flowers and butterflies. Another one of the Cosmos papers. And then there's one of the cards I made with a paper clip. Just so it can be moved around the journal wherever it's meant to go. So I'll pop that back afterwards. And I did some more stamping. It's another one of my mixed media pages. An old greetings card which I've glued in for a pocket. I might still put a thumb hole here. I'll think about that and do that after. This is one of my embossed pages that I coloured with Faber-Castells. And my belly band, which opens up to be written in. And my little booklet that I made with some leftover embossed paper that I had. And inside I've got all coloured paper. I've left this blank. I quite often do that in journals, leave nameplates blank for people to name things themselves. And that's so... this is my... when I had done a stenciled page, I put the page in upside down, and so I had to go back over it and cover it up rather than take the page out. So this is one of the pages that was on. So I've got this gorgeous, very sparkly dragonfly. And blank on the other side. And then we've got one of my specimen clusters, which I've made into a little tuck spot on this envelope. And then on the back is another pocket, some more stamping. I think there's just stamping. No, nothing on that page. Mushroom. This is just a page just to stick photos or something on. One of my multi pockets that I made is on a video as well, with cards and that. And this is the other side of the upside down stencil page that I did. So that's another mixed media piece. This is one of my flip note thingies, and that's another embossed page, and another one of the gardening book pockets with a very large journal card in. And another mixed media. I did actually enjoy doing the mixed media in this one. I had a bit of fun doing that with a little, it's like a little bird Brad, with a couple of little tags. Another one of the Cosmos papers, and this is one of the window envelopes that I did. Yeah, this is like washi tape. I was going to cover the whole thing with tea dyed paper, and then I thought, oh, I haven't got a huge amount of tea dyed paper left, so I didn't want to part with any. So I just covered up the top of the envelope where the flap is with some pretty washi, and left this section for writing on. And that, so and there's a tuck spot in there, and a tuck spot there, and then it just clips to this page to keep it closed. There we go. So some more little mushrooms. These tiny little embossed pockets. They're only quite small, so I do tend to put, you know, depending on the size page, I've put up to 3 on a page. Of course, this book's too small for 3, so it's just got 2. And this is another pocket, which I haven't put anything in, and it didn't trim it. I just left it. I liked that sort of avant-garde sort of look, you know, not finished off properly. And that so we've got some more Brasho doily, some more mushrooms. I love my mushrooms. Washi flowers, some more of the Cosmos paper, and then we go on to the second signature. I've left space in between because I thought it would need it for the thickness of the signatures, and that, so that's why there's space in between. I was going to try and get 3 signatures in here, and yeah, it wasn't going to work. So it's another pocket with colour cards. I was looking at what YouTube channel it was, 49 Dragonflies, and she had done this kind of effect with a couple of her pages where it was all sort of scrunched, and she'd stitched it, and I really liked how she had done that. And this one I just scrunched a little bit of lace and detailed the end there, but you'll see that I've done it again throughout. I've done it here again. It's another one of my mixed media pages in the journal. Yeah, so, and I also saw on her channel, I think it was the same video, she had, I never thought to use sequins, and yeah, she had done this and put sequins on her little scrunched page, and I do believe it was like baking paper or tracing paper that she used. So I thought, oh, I'm going to try that, and then I decided at the last minute, oh, I'm going to add something extra to it. So I've added some yarn, like feathers yarn, to the paper, and I've just left it long with tails, just because it's messy, not quite finished, you know, not trimmed. I love that look. This can be used as like a little paper tuck spot, you know, fold up a little letter and put that in there if you like. And this is a corner pocket with one of my journaling cards with a little pocket at the bottom, and a couple of other cards, and some of my own handwriting on here instead of a prepared one. And then this is another one of those flip cards that can be written on and moved about. This one is paper clipped as well. This is a little booklet that opens up, and you've got some pages in there, and it just flips in like that. This can be used as a writing space, and then we've got a tuck spot on the back, another one of those pockets that I made, and a little bit of detail on the page. This is just a napkin which I've smooshed some gelatos around and put like a little instant cluster. Another mixed media page that I've done. This is a long time ago from a second-hand shop. I found some gift cards that were homemade, and they're decorated with pressed flowers and leaves. So I thought that was very appropriate, and I've made that into a pocket as well. And so then we have just some little bits that you can attach things to. Another one of those gardening book pages. Another pocket. And again, I've left the lace untrimmed. These are out of the gardening book. It's a bit of dictionary page. This is my mixed media that I did on the scrunched brown paper, which is great for adding photos or bits and pieces, or you can add to the mixed media if you want. And the other side's blank, so you can do your own mixed media on that side. And another stamp, another corner pocket. I did quite a few corner pockets in this one, double corner pockets, and that's so. Brusho, and then another. This is part of an envelope that I've just left. Can be written on, or you can add something to it. Another one of those little booklets. Just closes in there like that. Some more of the Cosmos kit. Another one of the gardening pages which I made a pocket out of. This is another opening belly band, so it can be written inside. And one of the kit cards. I've used quite a few of the cards out of the kit. Another one of those little letter tucks. Pop some velvet paper in there. Another page that I did the sequins on, and this one I added some ostrich feathers or eyelash yarn, whichever you like to call it, too. And this is another one of those little I did it a little bit different. Did this one hinged, so, and it's got a couple of little dangly bits there. And then just to keep this one in place, I've added a paper clip to it. And more washi flowers. Another double tuck spot. Blank page, and then some more of the Cosmos paper, and then this is my my garden. I don't know if that's going to reflect, but I've covered all of the transfer, the acetate with washi flowers, and then this just opens up to, sorry I've done it in a bow, to reveal the key's just decoration. It's not there for any purpose other than to look pretty. And inside is a pocket full of cards. So that's my journal that I absolutely love. I had headaches putting it together. Made some errors in it, fixed the errors to look amazing, and it's one very sort of, it's an interactive and very purposeful journal. Lots of writing space, lots of picture space where you can add pictures and stuff, and I've left I'm really loving this, leaving threads hanging, and yeah, not trimming lace properly, and I'm just loving it. Yeah, so that's it. I hope you liked it, and please leave me a comment below, and I'll be listing this in my Etsy shop as soon as I've done this video. So it should be in there within, I don't know, within the next half hour or so. The video will still be processing and uploading, so it'll be in my Etsy shop anyway by the time the video is uploaded. And yeah, thank you for coming along and having a look through my Cosmos journal, and I hope to see you here again. Until next time, stay well, be happy, craft lots, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. If this is your first visit, please subscribe, much appreciated, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.